Jeffrey. BJDDM. Live boat. Yes, beach. Bounty hunter. Where's the BH? Yeah, BJDDM. I'm waiting you. Okay. Now this is done. I'm gonna log in. Just don't see my password. Yo! They see it. They see it. Oh my God! Why? Because I have more accounts. Smaller Dice Gaming. I have Smaller Dice Gaming, bro. Okay, now I am gonna tell I am recording. Say hi to YouTube. To YouTube. With voice. Yes, because I am recording with voice. Okay, this guy is so happy when I'm recording. Look at that. And my cousin is real and shelf. Look at this. What map are you, please? I am on Parthenon Annex. What Parthenon? Oh, I'm red. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, there are so many trees, broken trees. Look at this. Ooh, there's some chest, bro. Why? That was so close, bro. Ooh, there's so many woods. I found the chest. Why? Okay. Now here. Okay. Uy! Whoa! Whoa! Why am I disconnected? Ah! It's there. There is no internet. There we go. Have internet now. So cold in here. Oh. So what now here? Okay, so anyways, bye guys. This is the part 1.